Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty and Lifestyle. Today we are going to talk about recycling ideas. Recycling is not only good for you for the environment, but it can also be a fun and creative way to respond item that you might otherwise throw away. So let's get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed these recycling ideas and that they inspire you to get creative with your own recycling project. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more video. Dislike. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.